These are my test 4 corrections. First with the no calculator part. The first question I got wrong is number 9. And what you had to do is 3a minus c using the matrices that were given on the test. Here's a, so you multiply that by 3, and then you subtract c from it. And on the test, I accidentally thought that b was c for some reason, and it was a 3 by 2, so I said that it wasn't possible. But anyway, first you want to multiply matrix A by 3, and so this is your answer for that, and then you want to subtract matrix C from it, and then matrix C was -7, -3, 3, 5, and since you're subtracting, if you're subtracting a negative, it's like adding a positive, so that's like changing these to positives and adding them, but these you'd still subtract, so you get 4, 9, 9, and -23, so that would be your answer. The next question I got wrong is number 11, and that was like in the same section as number 9, where you have to use the matrices given above. So once again it was a, except you had to do a squared, and if you square a number, it's like multiplying it by itself. So I did matrix A times matrix A, and on the test, I accidentally did like -1 times -1 is equal to 1. 4 times 4 is equal to 16, instead of doing the row and column multiplication. So I did it correctly this time, and I got 9, -14, -28, 44 for my answer. The final one I got wrong on the no calculator part was number 14, and I just messed up on some multiplication on during the end. So you have to find x, but to do that you have to find the inverse of matrix A to multiply to matrix B, so you can get x by itself. So first, to do that, we want to find the determinant of A. And to do that, you like cross multiply and then subtract. So you do -2 times 5, -10, -4 times 3, -12, -10 minus a -12, so -10 plus 12 is equal to 2. Then you put, it's like 1 over 2. That's how you find the determinant. So 1/2 is like your determinant. And then you have to flip matrix A. You have to switch this one and this one, and then you have to switch the values of these, so it's like +4 and -3, so you end up with 5, 4, -3, -2. Then you multiply that by the determinant, and you get this matrix for your answer. Then you have to multiply that by matrix B, and when you like use the row column multiplication, you end up with 3, 4, so that would be your answer for number 14. The last question I got wrong was on the calculator section of the test, and the question was number 5, and it was, in May, Marcus bought 48 styrofoam balls and decorated them as toy figurines. In June, he sold 19 of the figurines. In May, Lynn bought 44 styrofoam balls to decorate, and in June, she sold 21 of the figurines. Circle the matrix that represents all of their May purchases and their June sales. So on the test, the matrices were listed in this order, but across. When I took the test, when it says represent their May purchases and their May sales, I just thought it meant how many figurines they had each month. So the first month, like this was correct, but I accidentally did like how many they had. Like I just subtracted these numbers to get this. So this is what I thought, but it's their sales, so it would be the negative numbers. So this would be the correct answer and not this. So that is your answer for number 5.